So the party has been tracking these winged beasts, which are called the vampiric beasts. They've followed them, or followed the trail back to where they found them, which is in this tower that they're coming out of, which is the town centre semblance. And yeah, so our next session is going to be a bit of an epic battle. We're level 3 at the moment, not far off getting up to level 4, and I would imagine that some of them are going to level up after this battle. So we've got a few buildings here that they're going to be able to use for cover if they choose to. All the beasts that they're fighting, obviously some of them are poured outside, but we've got some up in the bell tower, in the clock tower, in the belfry section. They will need to eradicate them all. They're going to need to go in through the bottom level and then work their way up. And take it off, work their way up to the levels, which is going to be quite challenging for them because it's such a tight space. We'll have some in this little shop down here. Actually, I'll just take the whole roof off. Ooh, he says if I clip that on. Oh, I haven't I? It's good to find these things out before the game starts. And there will be some in here, which is one of the little shops in the marketplace. But there's a nice big open area in the middle of the town. There will be something in the middle of the town, I'm not sure what yet. Probably some sort of monument, statue, fountain, something like that. I'm going to have a little look through all my terrain pieces and see what I've got and what will fit in nicely with the clicky wall buildings that we got. We haven't got any floors in that one. Better put some in there before we start. But yeah, it should be a good session. Looking forward to it.